everybody. I'm going to talk to you about poached eggs. Poached eggs are far healthier than a scrambled or a fried egg. Firstly, because they're not cooked in oil or have lashings of cream added to them. Poached eggs are much lower in calories and hence just a lot better for you. Um, I'm going to show you how to poach the perfect egg. So you bring the water up to a boil, and then you add some vinegar, any vinegar. I use apple cider. It has some health properties, just a little pour like that. And then you turn the temperature right down. So I've got it on high now, but you don't want it to boil. Okay, the water must absolutely not boil. So I'm turning it down to about 5. Okay, and then what you do, you take a spoon. Okay, we don't want this to boil, so it must come down even more. You give the water a stir so that there's a swirl. And then you put the egg in. And what the vinegar does, it makes the white coagulate. Do you see how the white is surrounding the egg? And then you leave it in there for a few minutes, depending on whether you want it hard or soft. I prefer mine soft. Make sure it doesn't boil though, because if it boils, it breaks up the egg. So it must just be a very gentle. You can see it's a little bloop, bloop, bloop. So not boiling. And I will show you what it looks like when I take it out. A couple of minutes until it solidifies. Do you see what's happening? It's becoming a poached egg. Okay, then you just lift the egg out and see. See, that's a nice soft poached egg. Well, a little too soft for some. If you can put it back and make it a little bit harder. But that's how I like my poached eggs. You can either serve it on a piece of wheat-free bread and avocado pear, and this is a soft poached egg, so you see it'll run out. Yeah. Or you can do it hard, and I'll show you something else to do with a poached egg. Another idea for a poached egg is I've got a trout salad here on a bed of rocket and spinach and avocado pear and I've got capers, I've got beetroot, and I've got olives. And I like a soft poached egg, but there's nothing stopping you doing it hard. But this is what the soft poached egg looks like. It'll be a bit runny. It'll add to your sauce. My dressing is olive oil and lemon, so it'll add to that. So another very healthy way to do eggs. And eggs are really good for you. They had a bad rap in the past, but they really are brilliant. They're full of nutrients. And poached, you don't add any fats, so incredibly healthy.